everybody talk about like your edge or winning strategy and all this, but nobody really talk about like the risk management will come with it. And this is really where the 5ers really helped me. Even when I started with the 5ers, I didn't know that when I saw like risk management 5% stop loss, I was like, can I really do this thing? Because it's really little.
Well, traders, happy to be with Chris today. Thank you, Chris, for making the time to make the interview with me. How are you, Chris?
I'm good. Thank you.
Let's start a bit of about you. Tell us a little bit about you and how long have you been trading, just to get to know you.
Oh, okay. I'm Chris. I'm from Congo and Gabon, and right now I'm in Canada. I come originally in Canada for the study. I wasn't really satisfied about what I was doing at the university, and I wanted a challenge. And like I always saw those athletes on TV, they have like something special to say that, and I really want to be somebody like that. And when I come in trading, I automatically knew that there is something that not everybody can do, and I'm gonna give all that I can to be a successful trader. And here I am.
Excellent. So tell us, how long have you been trading? How did you discover trading?
I discovered trading in my research. I wanted a challenge, something to do more than just study, something to do more than just the university and all this. And first, I come on betting. Many traders come first from betting, and after that, they discover trading. And that was the same thing for me. And after that, I saw that is something I'm going to say better than betting because there is something we work with edge. And when I saw that, I decided to knew a little bit more. And after that, I saw like some traders. And after in my research, I discovered the 5ers. And first, I start with the stock market. In betting, when I automatically try to search for an edge, that was the main thing for me. Having an edge that nobody has, that will permit me to do more than the others. And when I saw that it wasn't the case in betting, I decided to go in trading to focus myself in stock market. And when I saw that even in stock market, I didn't have the edge that I really want, I decided to go in the forex market. And in forex market, I finally find this edge that I wanted. And it take me like something like 4 or 5 years.
I know you've been trading with us for a while now,
Yeah,
and you have a different active accounts right now. You have some bootcamps accounts and some high stakes accounts.
exactly.
But I want to focus on your Hiyper-Growth account, on your one-step account. I'll get into your dashboards and we'll discuss a little bit of more in depth of what you do. So let me get into that.
They want to do by their own. They want like they do with their own knowledge. They want to do with their own capacity. And like everybody else, I was like that. I was like that before. And I have decided first to do things differently because that didn't work for me. You can't even see I have like one or two account with the 5ers when I didn't do really well. And after that, I decided to don't trust myself anymore. That is the first thing. And I think that this is really my edge. I just don't trust myself. The first thing that I do is I just trust the data in the market. I take all the time, concentrate myself only on the data. I took the data from 2022 and I decide to backtest with some different indicators, simple indicators, because I don't want to complicate the thing a little bit more. I'm gonna say the main story. This is how this age come with those data and with the indicator that I tested and all this. Yeah.
Okay, I really like the fact that you are trained on our one-step challenge, and I think it's the best program out there. It's the program where
Yeah,
we have
really, really.
the highest success rate, the passing rate, and I really like your performance. The fact that you're steadily growing your account, you're not looking for those over leveraged trades that to get into the target, but you really take the time. I see this is your evaluation account. You
Yeah.
made 151 trades. And
Yeah.
I would like to ask you a little bit more about your strategy. So you mentioned a couple of indicators that you use.
Exactly.
So tell us what is it that you do once you open your charts, what you're looking for. We can see you trade, mostly major pairs, the Forex market.
Exactly.
What you're looking for, what's the setup, what's the strategy behind this account?
The first of all, why I trade major pairs, because I know that the volume come with the trend. This is the thing that major people do. Everybody gonna do it. So the main thing that I search in my strategy is the trend. And after that, I'm looking for multi-time frame. I don't want my chart to move too much. Like if my chart take a direction, I know that because he finally decided to take this direction, he's gonna continue. My time frame is always high, like a day. Yes, like a time frame for the day, the time frame for the week, the time frame for 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, all this big time frame, because I don't want my chart to move too much. And after that, I decide to take also like a Aiki machine, and with the Aiki machine that permit me to see the chart volume and not the chart price. And with that, that permit me to see a little bit more about the real direction that the people want to take and not what the price indicate. That's the main thing for me. And after that, like I use all these trend indicators. You can take like the super trend, you can take the MACD, you can take and all this. And after that, you have to back test. Now, this is the main thing. You have to back test, because you have to take like some exact period of moving average and see what it worked well for the pair, because it's not all the pair who work with the same moving average when you backtest. And after that, you saw your age, you saw really the profit factor. This is the most important thing for me. If the profit factor is good, super good, you already know that even if I don't do well with my risk management, I'm already have the edge on the market. And that's it. Yeah.
Okay, I like it that you keep things controlled. You don't use very large leverage or very large trades, and you really build your account on a healthy way. And this account looks pretty similar to the funded account. You reach the target, which is 10%, and then we have your funded account, your level one, and you're doing great. You're already in profit. I know you already withdraw some money, and you keep your lot size again small. We can see your average duration trade is similar. We can see your win rate is similar. So we can see that consistency. But I would like to ask you in this case, for example, on this account, you did have a little bit of drawdown. I don't know if you reached
Exactly. Yeah.
you reached the daily pause at some point or something like that. So tell us a little bit of how did you recover from the drawdown, and how did the daily pause help you on your risk management?
Thank you for this question, because this is the area when the 5ers really helped me, because when you start with trading, you know everything about the strategies, about the psychology and all this, but nobody really talk to you about risk management and all this. It's even with those articles that the 5ers put on their website that really helped me to know that, oh, it's important for me to take that much size. It's really important for me to trade like that way and all this. But specifically with this drawdown, this is what happened when you want to try a new strategy. And this is what I have: the first drawdown that failed. So normally the second drawdown is the normal drawdown that I have to take. So I knew that the second drawdown was normal, because with the back test, I knew that there is the period in the year when I will have this kind of drawdown. You know that this is the period when you don't have that much activity on the market. And this is the second drawdown was normal, but this is the first that I knew that I wanted to try a new strategy, and I failed. So I automatically dismissed the strategy, eliminate it, and continue with what worked. And I don't want to touch it right now.
Okay, I think that's a great insight, because a lot of traders, they're jumping from strategy to strategy, trying to get
Exactly.
what the holy grail or something like that. And really, the holy grail is on focusing on one system that you can manage to master and to get an expert on that, and to get all the little tweaks and nuances of that strategy. So
Exactly.
congratulations on doing that, and that's getting on that understanding of stick to your strategy, your system, and really to master it. So I'm happy that you managed to recover from the drawdown. You're already in profit. Your next target is to make 10% to double your account.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I'll stop sharing now your dashboards. And Chris, you've been trading with us for a while. I would say more than a year. Is that fair to say?
2 years and a half. Yeah.
Okay, so how did the 5ers have contributed to your success as a trader?
I don't say that for like give you some flowers, but literally the 5ers really built me as a trader. Because when you saw that all this video on YouTube, all the courses, everybody talk about like your edge or winning strategy and all this, but nobody really talk about like the risk management who come with it. And this is really where the 5ers really helped me. Even when I started with the 5ers, I didn't know that when I saw like risk management, 5% stop loss, I was like, can I really do this thing? Because it's really little. But and after that, when I saw all that you post about the risk management, I learned from it. And this is really where the 5ers really helped me, because right now I know how to do with my strategy, and I know how to not go on the stop loss level. I know how to not hit the daily pause. In all my trades, always in control, because I really follow what you say on those, like the article that you put on your website. So this is where the 5ers really helped me, really with my risk management, and I'm really thankful for it, like really, because right now I know how to manage those things. Yeah.
Amazing. So what's next for Chris? Are you about to finish your studies and going back to Congo, or what's your plan?
Right now, I'm already work here, so I already have my citizenship and all this right here. And for me, the next step, I really want to continue in my trading journey. I know that I already do like a big step, and all those things will come with time. It's only for me to work and stay consistent. So this is my next step, to really continue with the 5ers. Like you say, I take like all those evaluation account and all this. And I know that with consistency, and if I'm working well as I doing right now, everything will be well for me. And I want to be like a trader for entire time of my journey. So that's it. That's
Amazing.
it for me.
Happy to be part of your journey and your growth as a trader.
Oh, thanks to you. Thanks,
Chris, just to to summarize the interview and to wrap up, final words to traders watching, maybe an advice, a final message to the audience watching.
Okay, for me, the final word really will be to find your edge first. You don't have to trust yourself. You don't have to be alone to know all those things alone. You don't have to. There are already people right there who know more than us. Only reach to them, find your edge, and after that, work on your risk management, and that's it. So this is for me the last word. Find your edge. Don't work alone. Your risk management, and all the rest will follow.
Edge, community, and risk management. Amazing.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, Chris, thank you again for for sharing your knowledge and your experience and your journey with us. Thanks for making time to do the interview, and I wish you all the best on your trading career, and getting into higher levels, and we might do a follow-up interview in the future.
Thank you again, Saul, and I follow you every day on YouTube. So I'm really happy to be here. More happy now.
Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Thank you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye.